I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza squishy. To begin, select a high-protein flour, like bread flour, which provides the necessary gluten for elasticity. Ensure your dough is well hydrated, aiming for 65% to 70% water content relative to the flour. Knead the dough thoroughly for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This initial effort is crucial for developing that soft, squishy texture you desire. After kneading, cold ferment your dough in the refrigerator for 24 to 72 hours. This slow fermentation develops complex flavors and a more extensible dough. Before baking, let the dough proof at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. When shaping, be gentle. Stretch the dough carefully to avoid tearing, preserving those precious air bubbles for a squishy result. For the perfect squishy crust, preheat your oven to a high temperature, around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone or steel inside. This ensures a quick, intense bake. Place your pizza directly onto the preheated surface. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. A fast bake helps keep the crust tender and moist. Once your pizza is out of the oven, for an extra touch of squishiness and flavor, brush the crust with a little olive oil. Then let the pizza rest for a few minutes before slicing. This allows the cheese to set and the crust to reabsorb some moisture, enhancing its soft texture. And speaking of great things, if you're looking for a fantastic way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other amazing deals, in the description below. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold and refreshing, just like a perfectly squishy pizza is satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.